Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Adeline Garage. We actually haven't done an overview of my Mustang yet, our resident autocross slash road race car. We just picked up a set of ST XTA coilovers from a friend of mine. He just switched to an SLA setup, so picked those up, and I'm going to get rid of the suspension that's underneath the car now. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the new coilovers and what's in the car now, and we'll get started. I just picked these coilovers up not too long ago. They're in decent shape. It was a fellow Mustang owner that did road racing like I did. He just switched setups. Been taken care of, in decent shape. Alright guys, so let's try this again. My dumbass forgot to charge the camera last night. I thought that it was charged, and apparently it wasn't. So anyways, here's the coilovers. I don't know how much of the other camera captured before it died. They are ST XTA coilovers. They're single adjustable, rebound only coilovers, adjustable. On the top here, there's a little adjuster that goes in there, and then on the top of the rears as well. So my current setup is Coney yellows with Roush blue springs, the non-extreme springs, and Maximum Motorsports caster camber plates. This setup works really good, except for the fact that I can only run so much camber because the spring hits the inside of the strut tower, so I'm not able to run enough camber for what I need for the racing that I do. Same thing with the rears. Rears are Coney yellows, Roush springs, BMR panhard bar, white line, reverse mount, sway bar, and Blow by Racing blower control arms, which are either A, going to replace here soon, or B, replace the bushings with spherical ends. So it still has the stock upper control arm for now. I've had a ST XTA adjustable control arm, spherical control arm for a while, just never put it on. But that's pretty much it for, it has a Eibach three-way adjustable front sway bar, as well as the energy suspension bushings. But that's pretty much it for the suspension wise. I need to replace these end links as well, so I can correctly set the geometry back the way it needs to be. But yeah, besides that, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm not sure if we'll actually record us swapping the suspension out or not, because the only thing we need to do is take these 5 bolts off, and then the 2 bolts here, and these pretty much came straight off of my buddy's race car that runs a very, very similar setup than I do. So we're just going to throw these on for now and probably just leave the car in the garage, and I'll adjust them later on. Not sure if I'll do that this video or not, but we'll go ahead and get started and get those on real quick.
Later that same evening.
Alright guys, so this is a little later on. We just finished putting the coilovers on. We had to run an ace to get a couple of bolts that were missing, but besides that, went relatively quickly. Eventually we're going to quarter balance the car and adjust the coilovers, but we're not going to do that today. I don't know if we'll include it in this video or not, but I'll just show you guys real quick. This is the top mount. Adjustment rods here. Coilovers in. Right here, no issues. I'll show you the backs real quick. Backs are in here. You adjust it with, there's a little adjustment rod with a spanner wrench back here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're going to set it down real quick, see what the ride height ends up being, and eventually adjust. We probably won't do it tonight. don't daily this car, so it's not that big of a deal if it's not done today. But yep, and then here's the old Conies are here, which I'll put up for sale here soon. The old setup was Coney yellows, which are single adjustable rebound, the Roush springs, and then Maximum Motorsports caster camber plates. But yeah, that's it. And I guess I'll give you guys an update when we have the car on the ground. Alright guys, well that wraps that up. Went ahead and torqued everything back down, took it for a test drive, everything seems fine, no noises, anything like that. Eventually we're gonna corner balance the car. The ride height actually turned out pretty well. It's the same exact height in the front as the old setup was, and about a 1/4 of an inch lower in the rear, which is nice, which made it pretty much the same ride height all the way around. So I don't think we'll have any issues there. But we'll end up trying to quarter balance it and see what the weights look like and what all that stuff eventually. So yeah, go ahead and like this video, comment down below if you have any questions, anything like that, and give us any suggestions on what else you want to see with the car. I kind of did a little overview at the beginning of the video, so because the car's kind of always been done in all of our videos, we haven't really worked on it. So, but yeah, let us know what you think, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do. And I'll see you next time. Bye.